Buying an eSIM with Bitcoin is easier than you might think. Here's how to do it, step by step. Step 1. Go to CryptoeSIM.io and choose your destination. You can browse by country or region. We cover over 150 countries worldwide. Step 2. Pick a data plan. Choose how much data you need and how long the plan should last. Prices vary by destination. Many plans start at just a few dollars. Now click Buy Now. Step 3 is, at checkout, select cryptocurrency as your payment method. You'll see the amount in Bitcoin along with the wallet address and car code. Step 4. Open your Bitcoin wallet, scan the car code, and send the payment. Once confirmed, usually within a few minutes, you'll receive your eSIM activation QR code. Step 5 is, go to your phone settings, and then click Mobile Service. Then click on eSIM. Then scan the activation code by pressing Use Car Code. That's it. eSIM data paid with Bitcoin, delivered instantly. Try it at CryptoeSIM.io.